Good morning. We're talking about percent composition notes today. You all know how to find percent. You've all had to calculate the percent of in math. So if we were going to, for instance, do the percent of girls in the classroom, count the number of kids, 20 kids. 10 of them are girls, 10 divided by 20 times 100, 50%. You all know how to do that. That is all this is. Okay, first thing you do is you write the chemical formula for the compound. Then you figure out how many atoms you have of each type. What that means is if you have my favorite, glucose, you have 6 atoms of carbon. You have 12 atoms of hydrogen and 6 atoms of oxygen. Okay, next you find the molar mass of each substance in the compound. So, if we were going to do percent composition for glucose, there are 6 carbons. The molar mass of each carbon is 12.01. There are 12 hydrogens. The molar mass of each hydrogen is 1.008. There are 6 oxygens. The molar mass of each oxygen is 16. Okay? So what we're going to do now is do that math. So we have 12.01 times 6, 72.06. And then 12 times 1.008. Oops. And we have 12.096. And then 16 times 6. 96. Alright, so to do percent of something, you do the part divided by the whole. So we need to total up our total mass, the molar mass for glucose. So we're going to take 96 plus 12.096 plus 72.06. We get 180.156. Nope. 180.156. So now we're going to calculate the percentage you have of each element. Okay? So for carbon, we're going to do 72.06 divided by 180.156. For hydrogen, we're going to do 12.096 divided by 180.156. And for oxygen, we'll do 96 divided by 180.156. Okay? So, if I pull up my 72.06 divided by 180.156, 39.9, so we'll call that 40%. $12.096 divided by 6.7%. And then 96 divided by 180. 53.3%. So they all should add up to 100. 40 plus 46.7 plus 53.3 would be 47, 8, 9, 50 plus 50 would be 100. So ours all added up to 100. Alright, so now we're going to practice. We're going to do sodium sulfate. So first we need to figure out, we have 2 sodiums. So we'll take 2 times 22.99. We have 1 sulfur, so we'll take 1 times 32.07. And we have 4 oxygens for, it looks like 40, but it's 4 oxygens times 16.00. Add those up, we come up with 45.98. Sulfur, of course, is 32.07. Oxygen is 64. And we divide by our total. The total of all those is 142.05. I'm running out of room. Let's see if I can move these. Oh, not quite. It's not worth moving them. Okay. If I take 45.98 divided by 142.05, our sodium, I'm going to write it over here, percentage is going to be 32.3%. Our sulfur percentage is going to be 22.6%. And our oxygen percentage is going to be 45.1%. Second one, molecule of caffeine. So first we're going to go 8 carbons. So 8 times 12.01. Then we're going to do 10 hydrogens. Then we're going to do 4 nitrogens. And 2 oxygens. Okay, if we add those up, our total is 194.2. So now we'll do percents. 96.08 divided by 194.2 for our carbon. We get 49.5%. Hydrogen will be 10.08 divided by 194.2. For our hydrogen, we get 5.15%. For our nitrogen, 56.04 divided by 194.2, and we get 28.9. And oxygen, 32 divided by 194.2, we get 16.5%. All right, for our final problem, we've got 1 chromium. Chromium 3 nitrate is going to be written chromium with 3 nitrates. We have 1 chromium. Chromium's molar mass is 51.996. Nitrogen, we're going to do 3 times 14.01. Oxygen, we'll do 9 times 64. That gives us 51.996, 42.03, and 144. To find the total molar mass of chromium 3 nitrate, we add those up. We get 238.029. For our percents, we're going to take our part divided by our whole. That gives us 21.8% for the chromium. For the nitrogen, 17.7%, and for the oxygen, 60.5%. Thank you very much.